Hello again, Year 3. This is your math lesson, Week 3, Lesson 3. Can you guess what I'm going to ask first? Have you played Times Tables Rockstars? Next, you're going to need that Top Marks website again, and we're going to play a different version of the helicopter rescue. Here we are then. You need to count on and back, and I want you to mix up the two today. On and back up to a 30.
Count on 5 from 58. What is 4 less than 9?
Okay, now we're going to have a look at solving some multiplication problems involving a family of giants. We're going to be thinking about their heights and their weights and do some problem solving. Here's our family of giants. We've got Dad, the little boy and the baby girl. Let's see how tall the little boy is. To start with then, we're going to say he's 6 meters tall. That's big. Now he is 3 times the size of the baby. So how tall's the baby? So you need to think, 3 times what will give you the 6 meters for the boy? Hopefully you know. It's 2 meters. 3 times 2 would give you 6. Now if I tell you that Dad is 5 times the size of the baby, how tall's Dad? Here's your answer. Hope you got that too. Now that's a real giant. Let's give the boy a height of 15 meters this time. So if he is 3 times taller than the little baby sister, how tall is the baby sister this time? Think how many 3s would make 15? Okay. How about Dad this time? Remember, he's 5 times as tall as the baby. So we're doing 5 times 5 meters. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's start the boy off at 24 meters this time. Remember, the baby girl is 3 times smaller. So what's 24 divided by 3? Now what about Dad? Remember, he's 5 times the height of the baby, and 8 5s are? Well done, boys. Now we're going to think about their weight. Now what about Dad's weight? I think he's been eating quite a lot during lockdown. He's 4 times heavier than the baby. So what's 4 times 20 kilograms? You know 4 times 2 is 8. But you're multiplying by 20. So pop your 0 on the end and don't forget your kilograms. Think about this one now. The boy is 60 kilograms in weight. So what must the girl be? Remember, this has got to be 2 times this. And Dad is 4 times heavier than this. Wow. That's a whopping 120 kilograms. Play through that again if you need to. Find this in your pack now. It's a Mastery Checkpoint 24, Week 22. Have you really got to grips with how multiplication and division are connected? Remember, they are the inverse of each other. A multiplication fact can help you do a division fact, and vice versa. You need page 16 in your textbook if you fancy having a go at some extension. Gives you lots of information about the ginormous family. There are some tricky words there, so you might need a big brother or sister to help you with the reading, or a grown-up. And you can always work through the problem questions with them to make it a little bit easier. There's also some more problem solving to do on the Enrich website. The link's in the Google folder. It's all about three little bears, who you've probably heard of. You can also have a look at the pizza portions and the pies, red balloons, blue balloons, if you fancy it. You're all doing so well, boys. Keep it up, and I'll see you tomorrow.